Hey everybody, I am here today to unbox my kit. For all of you who have been waiting along with me, I wanted to show you what was in it. It comes in a pink box like this. I got the $99 kit and I'm just going to go through really quickly and just show you what's in it. I'm really excited. Okay, so it comes with this really cool foam packet that I'm going to reuse for when I get ready to ship my orders. I've been watching videos on how to do that, so I'll be holding on to this. And then it comes just like this with this little pink pop-up with the box inside of that, so I'm just going to pull this right out. It just comes out like that. And then it comes with a really nice black box. And this is all of the business supplies. So I'm going to show you what's in that. Okay. It comes with a party planner. This is a really nice planner that's with just a calendar and things about the business, the mission statement. That's pretty. So that's the party planner. And then it also comes with a receipt book in case you need to write receipts. Had a letter in here too that I'd kind of zip right through and pull that out. A Paparazzi like car sticker logo that you can put on your car. This is a new consultant checklist, just some things to kind of run through. A party checklist when you get ready to have a party. These are the compensation plan brochures to give out. There looks to be about 5 or 6 of those in there. I'm really excited about these. These are the bling cards so that you can give out to your customer as a promo item for buy 12, get 1 free. This is your agreement and application. So when I sign up a team member, if they don't want to do it online, you have the option to do a paper one, and then I can do it for you. And this looks like a leadership worksheet, and it has different things to put just to kind of keep track of what you're doing for the month. You can also do that online, which I will do, but I have these just in case. We have a necklace bust. That's exciting. I'm going to need plenty of these, so I was looking forward to getting this so that I could display my jewelry. I have some thank you cards. Invitations. I have a jewelry repair kit, so if something were to ever break, usually these are just O-rings that connect these jewelry pieces, so if something were to open up, you can just close it back up with these pliers. And then we have bags, just the pretty pink bags. So that is all of that in that box. And then we also have the Fashion Fix. It tells you about what the Fashion Fix is, and this month's Fashion Fix is this really pretty set that I have. I'm excited about that, and I only have one of those, so pretty stoked about that piece. I'm going to show you, I got 35 pieces of jewelry with my kit, and I just want to show you just one piece because I'm having a party tomorrow and I don't want to show everything. So this is the one piece that I'm showing just for tonight, not for sale, just so you could see. I will be selling it tomorrow when I go live. It has the black beads here. Very, very pretty. I love it. This is one of the ones I've been eyeballing online. I was going to order for myself, so I'm pretty sure somebody will snatch that one up. But that is what comes in the $99 kit. I'm excited to share all of this with you tomorrow. I will be live on Facebook. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I look forward to talking to you all later. Bye-bye.